Hello and praise Jesus. Welcome back to our YouTube channel and thank you so much for your continued support. If you're here for the first time, please don't watch and leave without subscribing, liking, and pressing the notification bell. It's another episode of Food O'Clock. Join me in the kitchen as we learn and have fun. Today, I'm preparing a Swahili dish famously known as Viazi Karai. And here are our ingredients: salt, turmeric or food color, wheat flour, and a glass of water. Viazi Karai is a famous dish in the coastal region of Kenya, which is made from Irish potatoes. To prepare your Viazi Karai, wash your potatoes clean and boil them with the peels. After boiling, remove the peels and cut them into pieces of your desired size, but not too small. Follow the steps ahead to mix your ingredients before deep frying. I'm using 1¼ cup of all-purpose flour, 3½ teaspoons of turmeric, a ½ teaspoon of salt, and a glass of room temperature water, about 250 ml. Mix your ingredients well and allow your paste to be thick. Mix the potatoes with the ingredients that you have prepared as you wait for the oil to be ready. Then start deep frying. And by the way, there is a difference between Viazi Karai and bhajia, and the difference is in preparation. If you're meeting for the first time, welcome to Baban Moment. Here we learn and have fun. Please don't forget to subscribe and to like our videos. Let them cook for about 2 minutes. Turn them and leave them for another 1 minute and your Viazi Karai will be ready. Thank you so much for watching this far. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed to this channel, liked and also commented, and for correcting us. We don't take it for granted. And here we are, guys. This is our final result. With very simple ingredients, you can achieve or make your own Viazi Karai that will save you money and the hassle for looking for the best joint for Viazi Karai. You can serve with tamarind juice, kachumbari, avocado, hot and sweet, and tomato sauce. We really appreciate for making us go this far. Kindly don't leave without subscribing, liking, and also pressing the notification bell. See you in the next video. God bless you.
Thank you, Mommy. So yummy. Thank you, Mommy. Yeah.